Hi, this is a video recording skills 4 in Unity, in which we are asked to create 5 different this is an extension of skill 3, in which we are asked to create 5 different particles and assign it to 5 different buttons. When we click this button, it should generate a sound as well as a particle. So I have implemented 5 different particle effects, like subemission, fire, uh, orbital, electric orbit effect, confetti, and projectile kind. So I chosen 5 different things like that, and I did for every button. As I created a sound source, audio source, I have created a particle system and assigned all a script and a particle system to it. So let me just run and show you the output. That is the background music. These are 5 different options. Whenever I click these buttons, it should generate a sound as well as particle effect. It generated a sound, clickable sound, and I created something like fire thing. Similarly for progress maybe. So I wanted to do the confetti effect. So it is 4 buttons. For options, emissions, I would like to do a projectile only for this. So each one has a dead time, so it dies after 5 seconds or so whenever the looping ends. That's all for the